Hey guys, just gonna show you guys a little boat tour of the new to me this summer bass boat. It's a Triton 18x2. It's a 2008. In really good shape when I bought it. It still is. And it has a 150 Mercury Optimax. It's a 2008 also. So I'm just gonna kind of show you guys around what I got on it for trolling motors, electronics, and then also just the compartments and storage a little bit. I'll jump in a minute and I'll show you. Start up front here. We just got a motor guide cable drive on the front here. A 24 volt, 82 pound thrust, I believe. I've never really had a cable drive before this one, but I've come to like it quite a bit. So I'm just going to keep it on there until I decide to upgrade or anything. But up front, I just got a Garmin. That's a 93 SV EcoMap. Just a 9-inch screen. Got that transducer mounted on here. Does the job. I like it a lot. I've had Humminbird, I've had Lowrance. I've heard a lot about the Garmin, so I tried it out and I like it just as much, if not even better. So if you're looking for a unit, I would suggest this Garmin. This one does have the side imaging, and also on the console they connect waypoints and everything, so it's been a really nice unit so far. I'll show you guys just the compartments here. This one on the left here, I just have my rods. Don't have them all in there now, but probably got a dozen rods in there, and it barely fills the bottom of it, so you could fit 20 to 30 rods in here, I'm sure, if you needed to. And the one on the right here is just more storage. She's got some rain boots and navigation lights, my butt seat, and then the back seat in here also if I ever need them. And then rain gear, just some stuff like that. And this middle one here is what you would call the tackle storage. Guess you could use it for whatever, but that's what I used it for. It's very big in here. I don't have all my tackle in here even, but you could fit more than you'll ever need in here. And down here is just a little cooler. Does the job, keeps ice for quite a while. What else do we got? There's the seats. Very comfortable seats. I'll go to the dash now. So just like up front, I got Garmin's. This unit's the same, it's the 93 SV. Side imaging and everything. Like I said, it connects with the front one. So you can mark waypoints off the back and then go up front and fish those spots. And I did just install this one in the last couple weeks, just mainly so I can have this one on full side imaging, so I can have a bigger picture, and then this one I can keep on my map, and then just 2D sonar. So yeah, there's the two dash units I got. This is just the dash. You got your mile per hour and gas, RPMs, and your trim. Just different toggle switches back here. Just your normal dash. Alright, I'll move to the back now. This is just the live wells. I've only fished one tournament with it and put fish in it, and they worked out very well. Never had any fish that looked like they were gonna die or nothing. They're both just divided by a divider there. They do the job. Then over here, just more storage. This one I just got some Tupperwares and docking ropes, cull tags, weigh-in bag. I still have lots of room. I mean, you could fit tons more in there. Over here is just more storage, the same exact size. That's just where I have life jackets and then a throwable. Then the last compartment's just this back big compartment. Has kind of all the mechanical stuff. You got your battery, your starting battery. Then you got your two 24-volt trolling motor batteries. And then the onboard charger is right there. The Triton Dual Pro XL. And then that's just your oil reservoir. And then your main power on and off. So that's pretty much it. That's the main boat. Just got a single axle trailer on there. Pulls really nice. Behind my truck I just have a 1500 5.3 engine in it. Can hardly tell it's back there actually most of the time. Got your diamond plating on there with the Triton boats. Lights up at night, it looks really cool. I'm really happy I got the stone chip guard. If you don't have that, I think sooner or later you will have to redo your trailer. But this one should last a lot longer than the painted trailers. That this doesn't chip and just has that nice rough texture. So I'll just do a little walk around of it, and that's about it. I do have a 23 pitch 3-blade on here. It's just what it came with. It works just fine. I haven't experimented with any different props or nothing. With me just alone and all my tackle, half tank of gas, I hit 59 with this boat. No jack plate. Probably could get a couple more miles per hour with the jack plate, but 59 is pretty quick. So there you go. It's a little boat tour of this 2008 Triton 18x2. I'm really happy with it. I've had a Triton in the past and loved it, so I bought a Triton again. They're awesome boats. Thanks for watching, everybody.